Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup video with this Moto Metal 962 wheel in a gloss black finish with a milled window. It's a 20 by 10 with a negative 44 millimeter offset and some 35 by 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now these Moto Metal 962 wheels, they're offered in a gloss black, a satin gray, a PVD, and a chrome finish. You're probably asking what's a PVD finish? That is when you have chrome spokes and a gloss black lip. It's like a two-piece wheel, but it's not, probably. But they're offered in those four finishes. They're offered in a 17, 18, 20, 22, and 24-inch wheel. So no matter what size you want, you can get it. Also, these Moto Metal 962 wheels are some of the most popular wheels on the market. It's just because it has that clean 8-spoke design that absolutely everybody loves. So this is a safe bet to go and put on your vehicle, and everybody's gonna love it. With that being said, you do have a little bit of a lip. You've got a 3 3/4 inch lip on this wheel. It is a negative 24 millimeter offset, so it's not too aggressive. It still gives you a mildly aggressive stance, but nothing too crazy. If you want to continue to push out more, get more of your tire, more of your wheel outside of your wheel well, go with a 12-inch wide or a 14-inch wide. They do offer a 24 by 14, so if that's what floats your boat, then put that on your truck and go to the lake. With that being said, these 35 by 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires, they are honestly some of my favorite tires because of the price point and because of how they handle. It's an RT tire, so it's a hybrid tire. It's got the tread pattern of an all-terrain, but the depth of a mud terrain. And I absolutely love how they handle. They're a very well priced tire. They're very cost effective. They're not as expensive as a Toyo or a Nitto or a BFG. They're not as good as a Toyo or a Nitto or a BFG, but they're 80% of those name brand tires for half the price. So I think it's the most bang for your buck tire you can get on the market. They handle great, they're still aggressive, but they're mild mannered like an all-terrain tire. I want to say that they were asking for about 4 ounces average each tire. So I would like to see it a little bit less, but 4 ounces still isn't that concerning. With that being said, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.